CTK Electro Special Edition for electric car. CTK Electro is light and most effective material for electric cars. Innovative composite butyl-rubber formula and 100-micron foil provides lightness of the material without losing rigidity and efficiency with its thickness. This sound-deadening material is easy to apply as there is no need to heat it. The low weight and wide range of applications of this material allows it to be used in cars running on electric traction. Recommended: roof, engine compartment, hood, dashboard, doors, door panels, floor, trunk lid, trunk floor, wheel arches,